Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your Suzuki supports Apple CarPlay and your iPhone is updated. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, plug a certified Lightning cable into the car USB or enable wireless CarPlay mode in the head unit. This initializes the link. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on your iPhone and the phone is unlocked so the system can detect it. If a prompt appears on the car screen, choose Allow or Enable CarPlay to start the secure handshake. You now select CarPlay on the Suzuki display and pick your iPhone from the detected devices list. This kicks off the deeper pairing. When both the car and iPhone show prompts, accept them. Grant microphone, contacts, and notifications so Siri and phone features work. After the connection completes, go to iPhone settings right arrow General right arrow CarPlay to arrange app order and enable or disable apps. This lets you prioritize navigation or music for one-tap access while driving. You finish by verifying audio is routed through CarPlay, Siri responds, and navigation guidance appears. Test a call and a route to be sure. If something fails, restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment, try a different Apple-certified cable, or toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These quick steps often clear handshakes. If problems persist, reset iPhone network settings or check for infotainment firmware updates at a Suzuki dealer. This addresses deeper compatibility or software bugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.